story is the story of the body parts. One day, all the body parts had a big fight. The hand started saying, "Oh, we are the most important in the body. You do everything with us. If we are not there, you cannot do anything." I started laughing. What are you talking about? You see the world because of us. We are the most important. If we are not there, you will not be able to walk on your own. You will fall down everywhere. We are the most important. Legs had their own story to tell. They started saying, "What is all this? We are the most important. The weight of the whole body rests on us. If we are not there, you cannot go anywhere. You cannot dance, you cannot run, you cannot play. What will you do?" Stomach said, "Ha ha 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 ha. All of you think you are important. What about me? I am the one because of which you get energy. Food comes inside me. If you don't eat, nothing you will be able to do." Now it was the ears' turn. They started dancing and saying, "Ha ha 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 ha. What about us? We are the ones who tell you if there is any danger. We hear everything and warn you in advance. Because of us, you are able to enjoy dance, enjoy music. And you all are telling me you are important?" Shh. Now it was the head's turn. Head was sitting aloof in a corner. Head said, "Stop all this. You all know very well that I am the only one who's important in the body. I have brain inside me. You know that? And if I was not there, you would not be able to do anything. You would not be able to think. You will not be able to remember also anything. I am the most important." And now all of them started hitting each other, fighting. Dishum, 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 dishum. Suddenly, a boy came there. He said, "Oh, what is happening? Why are all of you fighting?" They told the boy the whole story. Everybody felt that they were the most important. The boy said, Oh, wait. Nobody individually is important. Can only the hands work if the other body parts are not there? Or can only the legs walk?" They all started thinking, "Oh, yes, we can't do anything without the whole body. Every single body part has to be there." The boy said, "Yes, now you are getting it. If all the body parts work together, only then the body will work. If even one body part is missing, there will be major problems. So, don't fight with each other. Stay together and help the body to run smoothly." How do you like the story, children? If you like my stories, like and share them. Bye-bye.